morning children. Today we are going to study the chapter practical geometry. In this chapter the objective is to make you understand how to construct the quadrilaterals. So to construct a quadrilateral, some informations have been given, and from that informations we will learn how to construct the quadrilateral. Here mainly these 5 subtopics are given. Subtopics means conditions in which we have to construct a quadrilateral. Now the first topic is when one diagonal and 4 sides are given. Second condition is when 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given. When 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given. This is the third condition. Fourth condition is when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. And fifth condition is when other special properties are known. So out of these 5 we will learn one by one. So our first topic, first condition is when one diagonal and 4 sides are given. When one diagonal and 4 sides are given. So let us write down a question and then try to construct the triangle. So example, construct a triangle, quadrilateral. Construct a quadrilateral. और साइड्स की वैल्यूज लिख लेते हैं. PQ is 4 centimeter, QR is 6 centimeter, RS is 5 centimeter, RS is 5 centimeter, PS is 5.5 centimeter, and PR is 7. This is. Now first we will draw a rough sketch of the quadrilateral. PQ, QR, RS, PS and PR. So PQ, RS is our quadrilateral. So suppose this is the graph. P, Q, R. Now PQ that is 2 centimeter. QR means 6 centimeter. RS means this is 5 centimeter. PS 5.5 centimeter. PR means the diagonal, and this diagonal is 7. So how we will construct this quadrilateral? First we take your ruler and draw a 7 centimeter. Here I am not using accurate length because it is, if we use accurate length then there is very small figure that we have obtained, and on that board very small figure is not clear, much clear to make you understand. So I am only symbolically I will try to construct the triangle. First draw the quadrilateral. The condition is when one diagonal and 4 sides are given. So first we will draw a rough sketch using these informations, and then कैसे ड्रा करेंगे? First draw PR. Draw a line PR. This is half length 7 cm. Construction लिखना है तो how to write the construction? Step by step. First we will draw PR. That is this. Now this RS and PS. So this RS is of length 5 centimeter. So what to do? We have to just take 5 centimeter length in our ruler. यहाँ से we have to take 5 centimeter length. I am not using the exact length, just to make you learn how to draw. इसमें क्या करेंगे, 5 सेंटीमीटर की लेंथ लेंगे रूलर से और फिर यहाँ से सपोजिंग सेंटर एट R, draw an R. Now again PS is 5.5, so take P as center and draw an R. Now RQ is 6, so take R as the center and draw an R. This again, this PQ is 4 centimeter. Take P as center and draw the R. Now join, suppose this R intersects at S and these two R's intersects at Q. Join R to S, P to S, P to Q and R to Q. Now P, Q, R, S, this is your quadrant. This is your कंस्ट्रक्शन कैसे लिखेंगे, फर्स्ट ड्रा लाइन PR, लाइन PR मींस डायगोनल, फर्स्ट ड्रा डायगोनल PR ऑफ लेंथ 7 centimeter, then take 5 centimeter length and taking R as center draw an R again with the same center. Take PQ 6 centimeter. Take PQ 6 centimeter length in the compass and draw an R here. Yes. Draw an R. Now taking P as center and taking 5.5 centimeter length, draw an R which intersect the first R at S and again draw another R taking 4 centimeter length in the compass and that intersect the second R at point Q. Now join the point S to P, S to R and Q to P, Q to R. So in this manner we will get our PQRS rectangle. So this is your first construction. आप लोग लिखेंगे कंस्ट्रक्शन के देखने के लिए बुक की लैंग्वेज यूज करेंगे जो बुक में है. ओके, नाउ सेकंड कंडीशन इज व्हेन टू डायगोनल्स एंड सेकंड कंडीशन इज व्हेन टू डायगोनल्स एंड 3 sides are given. Then second condition is when two diagonals and 3 sides are given. Give one now. Let us write down the information by with which we have to make. Construct a quadrilateral. Question example में construct a quadrilateral in which quadrilateral के यहाँ लिख लो quadrilateral ABC, quadrilateral ABCD in which the lengths are given. BC is 4.5 centimeter, BC is 4.5 centimeter, AD is 5.5 centimeter, 5.5 5 centimeter. CD is 5 centimeter. Diagonal AD, diagonal AC. Diagonal AC is how much? 5.5 centimeter, and diagonal BD is 7 centimeter, and diagonal BD is 7 centimeter. So using this information, we have to draw the quadrilateral. We have to construct a quadrilateral. Now first make a rough sketch. Quadrilateral ABCD means this. A, B, C, D. AC, D. Now write one by one. BC is 4.5 centimeter, and that is this length. 4.5 centimeter. AD is 5.5 centimeter. 5.5 centimeter. CD is 5 centimeter. CD is here, and this is 5 centimeter. Diagonal AC is 5.5. That is this diagonal is length of length 5.5. And the diagonal BD is 7 centimeter. ये लेंथ क्या है? 7 centimeter. ड्रॉ कैसे करेंगे? पहले एक डायगोनल ड्रॉ करें. फर्स्ट ड्रॉ द डायगोनल AC. इस डायगोनल AC को यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करेंगे. फर्स्ट ड्रॉ द डायगोनल AC. डायगोनल AC की लेंथ क्या है? 5. मैं तो ऐसे ही ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ, आपको लेंथ रूलर से मेजर करके ड्रॉ करना है. पहला स्टेप क्या है? फर्स्ट स्टेप इज टू ड्रॉ AC, डायगोनल AC ऑफ लेंथ 5.5 centimeter. नाउ टेक दिस लेंथ यानी 5 centimeter in the compass and take C as center and draw an arc. So supposing this C as center, draw an arc here. Now third step is take 5.5 centimeter length in the compass and take A as center, and taking A as center, draw another arc which intersect the first arc, at the point join A to B and C to D. Half of your quadrilateral is completed. Now the fourth step. देखिए, first step is to draw AC of length 5.5 centimeter. Second step is to take 5 centimeter length in the compass and draw an arc. Supposing we are assuming C as center. Now take 5.5 centimeter length in the compass and take A as center and draw an arc, and this arc intersect the first arc at D. Join A to D. Now again take 4.5 centimeter length in the compass and draw an arc. Suppose this is 4.5 centimeter and draw an arc. Now this side is unknown, so we cannot take A center and draw an arc, but we can take B as center and take 7 centimeter length. So take B as center. Take B as center and take 7 centimeter length in the compass. B को सेंटर अज्यूम करो और 7 सेंटीमीटर की लेंथ यहाँ इसको हमने सेंटर माना और लेट अस ड्रा एन now this arc intersect the arc, previous arc. This arc intersect the previous arc at the point B. Now join B2 C, B2 बस अब B को A से ज्वाइन करना है without any hesitation. Join A to B. This is the required quadrilateral. Using this is the required quadrilateral, and this is based on the given information. So when two diagonals and three sides are given, then how to draw a diagonal? First draw a rough sketch. And then with the help of this rough sketch, it is easy to construct the triangle. Now first कंस्ट्रक्शन के स्टेप्स क्या हैं, बुक से लिख सकते हैं, यहाँ से भी मैं बता देता हूँ. फर्स्ट ड्रा AC ऑफ लेंथ 5.5 सेंटीमीटर. देन टेक 5 सेंटीमीटर लेंथ इन द कंपास एंड टेक C as center. Draw an arc. Again take 5.5 centimeter length in the compass, take A as center and draw an arc, and this arc intersects the previous drawn arc at point D. Join A to B and C to D. Now again take 4.5 centimeter length in compass and take C as center. Draw an arc. Up AB is not given, but BD is given. So take 7 centimeter length in the compass and take D as center. Draw an arc which intersect the previous arc at B. Now join B to C, B to D and A to B. In this manner we have obtained the construct the quadrilateral based on this information.
ये मिसाल हिसाब से कर सकते हैं, एडमिन है ना, आप नहीं है.
Our third condition is when two adjacent sides and three angles are given. Then how to construct the triangle? With this example, we try to learn how to construct. Construct a triangle MIST where MI is equal to 3.5 cm, IS is 6.5 cm, angle M 25 degree, angle I 105 degree, angle S equal to 120 degree. Now using this information, we will construct a quadrilateral. So first draw a rough sketch, draw a triangle. Finally, draw a quadrilateral. Draw a quadrilateral. M, I, S and T. MI is given 3.5 centimeter. IS means this time 6.5 centimeter. Angle M means this is 75 degree. Angle I is, that is this is 105 degree. And angle S is 120. Using this rough sketch, we will construct the quadrilateral MIS. So, what are the steps? How we will draw? First, draw either IS or M. It is on you which line you have to draw. So, let us draw MI. First step is draw MI. Draw it as it is. Draw MI. MI of length 3.5 cm. The length is 3.5 cm. Here I am using only symbols. This is not a 3.5 cm length. This is only a rough sketch to make you understand how to construct the quadrilateral. So draw a line MI 3.5 cm. Now this angle is 105 degree. This angle is 105 degree. So use protractor to draw the angle of 105 degree. प्रोट्रैक्टर का यूज करके 105 डिग्री का एंगल ड्रा करेंगे और वो होगा, ठीक है। ये बन गया आपका 105. Now this is of length 6.5 centimeter. So take cut a line from this ray IX. Cut a line segment of 6.5 centimeter from this ray IX. So suppose take 6.5 centimeter length in the compass and cut a line segment. This take 6.5 centimeter length and taking I as center, draw an arc. Yeah, this is yes, and this is 6.5. Now the angle S is given, and that is 120. 120 degree means take protractor, those angles which has been made by the compass are 45 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree, 60 degree, 30 degree. These angles can be made by the compass, and therefore you also use compass to make these angles. But those angles which cannot be constructed by the compass, it is easy to use protractor. So 120 degree can be made by compass, therefore we will use compass to make this. So take this center, this, join this. This is 120 degree. Now this angle is 75 degree. So प्रोट्रैक्टर का यूज करेंगे और 125 डिग्री का एक एंगल यहाँ से ड्रा, और इसको, इस लाइन को इतना आगे तक एक्सटेंड करेंगे कि ये जाके इस वाले रे को कट कर दे। सपोज ये है y और ये है z। अब ये दोनों जहाँ कट कर रहे हैं वो क्या है, पॉइंट MIS। ये 75 डिग्री है। एक बार रिपीट कर देता हूँ। First draw MI 3.5 centimeter. Now angle I is 105 degree. So make an angle of 105 degree at point I, taking MI as base. And in this base you will get a ray IX. Now from IX cut a line segment of 6.5 centimeter, and that line segment is IS. Now the angle S is given 120 degree. So make an angle 120 degree at point S using IS as base, and draw a ray making 120 degree. Draw a ray का S y. Draw a ray SY making 120 degree from S. Now again, since angle M is given 75 degree, so make an angle 75 degree and draw a ray MZ. Draw a ray MZ making 75 degree angle from M. Now this ray SY and MZ intersect each other at point T. Join T to M into S. And in this manner we will get the required construction, that is quadrilateral MIST. Okay, thank you. The third, not but the fourth, this one is the fourth condition. Then using these informations we have to construct a quadrilateral. Now we have to construct a quadrilateral ABCD where AB, BC and CD is given, angle B and angle C, that is these are the included angles are given. Now draw a rough sketch. Rough sketch is let draw ABC. ABC. A B C D. A B C D. AB is 4 cm. That is this is 4 cm. BC is 5 cm. CD is 6.5 cm. Two angles are given. Angle B is 105. Angle C is 80 degree. So this angle is and this is two angles are. Now using this information and this rough sketch, we will draw quadrilateral. So first draw the quadrilateral AB. First draw a line. To draw this quadrilateral, first draw line AB, and the length of line AB is 4 cm. A and now angle B is 105 degree. Angle B is 105 degree. So with the help of protractor, you can make 105 degree also with the compass. So you may take compass or you can also use protractor. So if you take compass, then 105 degree. How to make 105 degree? This is this. Now take this and this point as center and draw two arcs respectively. One is this, one is this. Now this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, and when we bisect this point and this point, here this and here this angle is 105 degree. This angle is 105 degree. Construction क्या है? Making an angle 105 degree, taking AB as base and angle B as center. Draw a ray BX. Now cut 5 cm line segment from BX. 5 cm की लेंथ लो और यहाँ पे this length is 5 cm. Right? This R intersect the ray BX at C. Now angle C is how much? 80 degree. So take protractor and draw an angle 80 degree at point C. Now making 80 degree, draw a ray from C. So this is 80 degree angle. प्रोटेक्टर का यूज करके सब इसको कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है. तो मेकिंग 80 डिग्री एंगल फ्रॉम द लाइन BC, draw a ray CY. Draw a ray CY. Now since CD is 6.5 centimeter, so cut the line segment of length 6.5 centimeter from CY. CY से एक लेंथ आर्क कट करेंगे. C को सेंटर ले लिया और यहाँ 6.5 सेंटीमीटर की लेंथ लेके एक आर्क करना है. ये है पॉइंट और दिस लेंथ है 6.5. Now drawing this point D to this point A. This is the required quadrilateral. Now to summarize, first draw center of length 4 centimeter. Then make an angle 105 degree at point B, and making 105 degree angle, draw a ray BX, and then cut a line segment BC of 5 centimeter from the ray BX. Now take C as center, and taking C as center and taking BC as base, draw an angle of 80 degree, and making an angle of 80 degree, draw a ray C1 from the point C. Again, this cut a line segment CD of length 6.5 centimeter from the ray C1. Now when we cut the line segment CD, D is this point, D is there. Now join A to D. This A, B, C, D is the required rectangle, required quadrilateral on the basis of these informations. Thank you, class.